Hello guys, and thank you for joining me for another video. Today we'll be learning about solving absolute value inequalities. So let's get started. So suppose you have an inequality, absolute value inequality like this. The first thing you do is you get the absolute value by itself. So you move the 8 and you move the negative 2. So negative 2x minus 4 would become negative 12. X minus 4 would become, and that would be 6. And then the second thing you do is you use your common sense. Well, this step doesn't really apply to this exact inequality, but basically what the common sense thing is that if the constant here is negative, then you can't go on to the next steps. The answer is no solution. There is no solution. And then, because remember, an absolute value is always positive. The distance from 0 cannot be negative. It's not possible. Right? So the third thing you do is you break it into two inequalities. Alright? So the first inequality would be as is. So x minus 4, 6, and here's a rule here. So if there's a greater than sign, then it's an or inequality. If there is a less than sign, the inequality is an inequality. And a good way to remember this is, look, it's greater, like great or. So greater, greater. So yeah. So there is, and so over here we have a less than sign. So this equality is an and inequality. And then the second inequality is you flip the inequality and make the constant opposite. So you flip the sign, make it a greater than sign. So it's minus 4 greater than sign over here. And then you make the constant the opposite. So that would be negative 6. From here, all you do is you just solve the inequality. So x would be 10 and x negative 2. Wait, sorry. And over here, these would be your inequalities. So, and then the fifth step would be to graph, but sometimes they don't want you to graph, they just want the inequalities. So depending on the question and depending on the directions that your teacher has given, you graph. Okay, and yep, this is how you solve absolute value inequalities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.